Right guys, it's the Ed shed, if you can hear me. We just got this old girl out of the shed. She started up alright, but unfortunately now, she doesn't want another. I think, where's the barrel start? That's for myself. Battery charge, right? Get depressed. Right. Because she started to find some cold. Things start where I go to work, flash over. And the reason why that's out there is a very good reason. For the edge shed reason. The edge shed reason is to extract the engine. Now that's the engine that I'm going to use. The old 2+2er. I'm hoping, if I hope, that she's alright. I don't think there's a better one, but there might be a better one there. Ooh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Well, there's one there, look. But I think there's a rope yet now. I think that's the engine that's going to come out. If I can get her out. I took the sub-focus engine years ago, robbed it, so don't get some. That's going to be taken off of the other one, which is in next door. And this lot is removed, and as you can see, and a leaking roof. And a leaking roof. So we've got to find out somewhere to go, because obviously what happens is all the water drips on the ship, isn't it? So another roof on the list of roofs. But for the minute, we're just going to keep going. We're actually looking for a few things. We're looking for a radio. Pretty certain there's a radio in here for a radio. I'll have a look for that. I hope it's not up there somewhere. I like it. Anyway, that's on the list of things to be found. And anything else that might be usable. Anyway, we need the winch on that to cover in here. So for the minute, we'll put you there. Like and subscribe, and don't forget, we are still doing things. Because that engine's coming out today. And over here is another engine. This engine is the one that's going to donate its entrails somewhere in there. So anyway, we're going to find that. We'll find a few more bits and pieces around for the cars while we're at, and we'll have a bit of a clear up. So, as I said, to be continued. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.